Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm literally filming this in such a hurry. In another 20 minutes I have to go out. This is the first time I've ever done a smoky eye, so I hope you appreciate it. Apart from that, this is like the worst of skincare in 2021. These are the products that I've used and they did not work for me. In no way, shape or form I'm dissing the brand, but these products did not work for me. So I literally have to go out in like 10 minutes, you guys. So yeah, let's get started. The first things that I want to talk to you guys about are pimple patches. Now these are the things that did not work for me personally. I've tried from Cosrx, I've tried those Amazon brands, I've tried from the Face Shop, I've tried different products, but they did not work for me because sometimes I feel like these do not work if you have big pimples. They only work for those tiny pimple thingies is what is my opinion. I don't know. So these are the things that did not work for me, and I've been using it for a while. Like you can see, I've literally used like two entire rows and they still did not work. So not a fan. They didn't work on my skin, so I'm not sure about that. The next thing that I have are actually fragrance products. I don't have a lot of fragrance products because I realized that my skin reacts bad to fragrance, and the one fragrant product that I have now is the Requil Ceramide and Hyaluronic Acid moisturizer. I did not know it has perfume. It does have alcohol as well. It also has fragrance in it, and they don't disclose what the fragrance is. So this was the only fragrant product that I have that I use on my face. So personally, I did not like when I bought this. I've heard such good reviews about this particular brand that I did not know that there was fragrance in it. So yeah, not a fan of fragrance products. Not only Requil, any kind of fragrance products on my face is something that I'm trying to avoid because I've realized recently that fragrance kind of makes my skin more itchy, more drier is what is my opinion. The next things that I have that were worse for me were hand creams. I think I've also told this in the last year. I had like 2 hand creams that I completely got rid of because I've used them, and hand creams is kind of a addiction is what I feel like. You wash your hands are dry, you again apply your hand cream, and whenever you feel your hands are dry, you always keep applying to it, you keep reaching to it, and I feel like that is kind of a marketing technique for hand creams themselves. So personally, not a fan of hand creams. Apart from that, I do have one last worst product that I'm so disappointed because I've heard such great reviews about this product, and I've heard so many influencers, YouTubers talk about it, especially in India, and I really wanted this to work because this is a made in India brand, and this did not work for me. This is the Earth Rhythms lip mask. This is the overnight intensive treatment. This is in the fragrance, in the flavor beetroot extract and pomegranate flower. This is how it looks like. I've heard such great reviews about this. I've also tried their lip butter. Both of them were a fail for me. I will let you guys know an in-depth review about this, but personally, just to give you like a glimpse of what it is a very, like, can you see this? It's a very thick formula that does not come up. Like after me pressing so much, it comes up, and this itself also is so chunky. Like you still have particles on your fingers that are still chunky. So overall, this was a fail for me, both the lip butter and the lip mask. I don't know whether they have come with new improved formula or something like this. I bought it like about in, I want to say April or May or something like that. Not a fan. So definitely that did not work for me. But yeah, those are all the things that I did not like as per skincare in 2021. I mean, these are the things that did not work for me. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. All of my best and worst of last year and this year are up in the cards, so check them out. It will mean a lot to me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.